What's up everyone, day 24 of opening on Pokemon Pack. Today we have a Korean booster pack. So hopefully we can pull something good out of it. Wish me luck. Here we go. Give me a second here, get this open. There we go. Got it open. Alright. Here we go. First card, we have like an ice cream dude. Not sure what his name is, but pretty cool art on this one. Looks pretty sad. Looks like his ice cream's melting. The first card. Next up, we have like a evil horse or something. Like a bat. Pretty cool. I like the art on it. Then we have a snow shore, I think it's called. That's the third card. Then we have an spike energy. Pretty sure that's what it's called. Then we have a bird. That'll do it for that pack that you got on day 25.